Our colleagues have spent a good amount of time adding some common resources in the elementary resource sharing group. Some of those common things include assignments around different topic areas. For example, we have assignments for the different types of writing that children do, and we have assignments with rubrics around math concepts that children will be showing understanding of. If we want to take one of these assignments and put it into our course, we go first to groups and then to elementary resource sharing. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the resource tab. We're going to click on there. And in this example, we're going to pull over a writing rubric for second grade. So if I click down to ELA and then grade 2, there is a writing folder. Within that writing folder are the 3 types of writing. If children are going to be working with narrative writing, I'll just click on that. And right in common assessments, there is the narrative writing assignment. If I open it up, I notice that there is a rubric already attached to it. And I could see what content areas, what parts of the curriculum are addressed in this rubric. This is one that I'm going to have kids actually submit something to. So I'm going to add it to the course. And because I'm going to have kids actually do something within Schoology or upload something within Schoology, I'm going to put it in the Go folder. So here's the course. The folder is going to be the Learner Go folder. Notice that the category is chosen. You have to have a category. That's why there's an asterisk. And then I'm going to click Add. I'll know it's added because there will be a green banner on the top of the screen saying that the template was added to your course. If I go to the course and the materials, in the Go folder, there's the narrative writing. Now, if I wanted to add some additional directions or include something else with it, I could just click Edit and I can create whatever I wanted. I can change the title of this. Maybe there is a specific topic that children are writing about. And then when I'm done, I click Save Changes. Now, remember, if you aren't having kids do something in here, and even when you do, you're going to have to eventually score this writing. So within the assignment, you can go to Edit Grades. And here's Barb's. I can mark based on what I see, add a comment if I want, and then move on to Francis. Now, what does this look like in the gradebook? Because there was an assignment in Schoology, it automatically creates a grading column in your gradebook. So here is the grading column. Those are all of the standards. You notice that Barb's is already marked and Francis's isn't because the rubric doesn't automatically show up. So I could go in later and mark hers.